Welcome to JH. When configuring your AOC AGON Pro AG276QZD2, begin by disabling game mode. This ensures peak image fidelity and grants you complete command over the settings. Enable adaptive sync to guarantee variable refresh rate compatibility for both G-Sync and FreeSync users. Adjust your brightness to 60, which provides roughly 160 nits, ideal for standard indoor environments. For color temperature, select the user profile and keep red, green, and blue values at 50 to achieve a balanced neutral white. Set the color gamut to the panel's native mode to utilize its entire color spectrum. If you require an sRGB clamp for professional photo editing, that option is available as well. It is best to skip the integrated gaming presets like FPS or RTS unless you have a specific preference, as they often distort color and contrast accuracy. When configuring HDR, choose HDR Peak to reach maximum brightness levels of nearly 1000 nits for highlights. Alternatively, select Display HDR for more uniform midtones, though this limits peak brightness to between 400 and 500 nits. For NVIDIA GPU owners, try increasing digital vibrance to 65% within the NVIDIA control panel to enhance HDR colors. Keep this at 50% for SDR content to avoid losing color detail. To simplify switching these profiles, consider using the color control utility. To protect your OLED screen, set pixel orbiting to weak for minimal visual shift, or choose medium or strong for enhanced burn-in prevention. Keep pixel refresh on auto. The display will run this during standby, or you can start it manually. Enable the screensaver to dim the display during inactivity. Ensure logo protection is active so static elements dim automatically. You can also turn on taskbar and boundary dimming for extra edge protection. Always keep thermal protection enabled to prevent the panel from exceeding 60 degrees Celsius, extending its lifespan. If a crosshair appears, simply press down on the joystick to toggle the Smart Crosshair feature. Low input lag mode should remain active, and it typically locks on when adaptive sync is used. Finally, keep shadow control at 0 for a natural look, or increase it to brighten dark spots in competitive play, while leaving gamma at 1.